putting these bolts on, I put some grease on it, like I said, to try to get them from not cross-threading, because it really felt like they were cross-threading. But, you know, I really should put some Loctite on the end of it. I don't know where I got any Loctite at. So, I don't know. I definitely don't want these big old monster brakes getting loose on me. And I'm known for not tightening stuff down as much as they should. I really want a digital torque wrench. These bolts, man, I had to use a breaker bar the whole time to get it off. And I know that can't be right. 'Cause I've worked on some heavy duty stuff and I don't remember no bolt, unless they're getting cross-threaded. They're just too dry. See, like, it's still got a ways to go, man. It should not take this much. Like, literally. I think I'm playing, man. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense for it to... And that's with grease on it, dude. If this bolt breaks off, I swear. This is what I have to use to loosen it, and that's what I have to use to tighten it. It's gonna break, y'all. I'm gonna loosen it and then tighten it a little. I'm gonna loosen it and then retighten it. So I just can't believe it. There ain't no way. I swear. It gets to a certain point and it's like, oh, anyway, light went out. Y'all please cross your fingers for me, because I really don't want to break this bolt off up in here. For real. Then we're going to have to, oh, I don't even talk about it. All right. Hello, y'all. Pray for me.